Hey, it's Elizabeth, and it's been a while since I made a video. I started a teaching job, so I figured I would make one since my husband's not here, and I just got a sew sampler box yesterday. So here's the front. It is by Fat Quarter Shop, and their website's www.fatquartershop.com. And the last I knew, they were they had a waiting list for the sew sampler, but you can always go and sign up and see. I'm not really sure. So, like always, theme Think Pink, which is perfect time for, I know Breast Cancer Awareness Month is October, so maybe they were thinking that. Our coupon is Bundle and Save on Moda Fabrics and Martingale Books. And they always do this. So 10 and 20% off. And then the little card I'm not going to look through yet. This is neat. It holds 28 universal bobbins. So I have different things. Maybe that's the trick to keep them all organized. Oh, this is handy. I think it's a little magnetic thread cutter. I'll have to see because that looks magnetic, and that has little deals. So I think it's magnetic thread cutter. Let me look at now I'll look at the cheat sheets. Yeah, a thread cutter caddy. So you can put tiny notions, magnetic ends for easy pen and needle storage. Holds bobbins, thimbles, clips, buttons, thread cutter. So that's interesting. And I, of course, love the color of it. Our fabric, Moda Color Cuts. And it looks like different from different collections. But they're all different pink ones. I don't really want to unroll it. Machine washable. Dessert cuts. 12 strips of 5-inch by 44-inch. And then straight and arrow. So that's the pattern, straight and arrow. I like the colors. Finished 42.5 by 42.5, 6-inch blocks. So one block, 2 colors, so many options. So I think they gave you the strips, and then you need 2 additional yards of, they use ivory. And then the Goodness Grows sampler, which I haven't done any of them. We're on block number 6, and I have done none of them, so a little behind. So yeah, I guess I can run through everything. The fabric, $20. They're saying that the pattern's 10, so it's already 30. The little caddy, another 10, so it's 40. The bobbin holder, $10. And this says members received it first. So that's a nice thing about sew samplers. Sometimes we get things ahead of others. And then the other pattern, 5. So 10, 20, 30, 50, 55 is what they say, and I paid $29 for it. So pretty good value based on those prices. And I think we used to get an additional coupon on things in the box, and it does not look like they did that this month. So it's just the one, but the 10% off Moda Fabrics will be helpful. So that's that. Overall, okay box. Not my absolute favorite, but okay. I do like the notions. I've been trying out different things for bobbins, so maybe that one, I don't know, I may just hang on to it. The caddy is cute, but I do have a bazillion pin cushions and things like that. So we'll see. And another pattern, and the fabric. I do really like this fabric, though. So we'll just have to see if I end up doing this pattern or not. But that's that. Thanks for following along and watching, and hope everyone has a good week. Thanks!